Now let us come to the fifth problem here. This is the fifth problem. Construct Bode plot for unit feedback control system having GC equals 10 into, here we have a 0 and we have 3 poles. We have 1, 0 and 3 poles. From the graph obtain gain phase margin, comment on the stability. Now hope this is clear. Okay. From this we have to get it into the standard form. See, usually it is S by something, S by A, or it is like 1 plus some 0.1 S. But here you have S plus 10. Put it in this form, okay, so that it becomes convenient for us to recognize the corner frequencies. Now bringing it, this S plus 10 is nothing but 1 by, bring 10 outside, it becomes 1 plus S by 10. Okay, here also take out 2 outside and 5 outside. So then you get this form. This 10 and this 10, see, this you can cancel. Finally you get 10 into 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. Similarly, the other equations. Looking at this equation, now if we try to find the magnitude of this transfer function at 0.1, how did we come to the, that is 0.1 here, we are coming back to this magnitude plot, this one table. We have the first value is 10. If we look into this, the first value, the constant value was 10. We had 1, 0 and 3 poles. So now let us first go to the first magnitude. From this, that is the magnitude that we get is 20 dB. Okay. Then from the first pole, that is 1 by S, there is just a slope of minus 20 dB. Then due to the first, again you have the first pole. Okay, this is the first pole. It is 1 by this value, and it is 1 by 1 plus S by 2. This is a pole which is originating at omega equal to 2, and it has a slope of minus 20. This is already at minus 20. This is also adding minus 20. Total slope becomes minus 40. Then you have another slope 1 by 1 plus. You can just look at this. This is the S by 2 slope. Then the next frequency is 5, 2, 5, 10. You have to come in the ascending order. Okay, you have to increase. Okay, so it is 2, 5, then you have to come to the 10th one. 10th. Then now the next one is the second pole. It is 1 by 1 plus S by 5. Then due to this pole, you have a slope of minus 20 dB and it will originate. That is, the corner frequency will be 5. And the total slope is going to be minus 60. Now we have a 0. That is at 0. This is 1 plus S by 10. This 0 will have a straight line of plus 20 dB and it will originate at 10. Now the slope becomes minus 60 plus 20, it is minus 40 dB per decade. Now this will be the tableau column for the phase plot. For different values of omega, you need to write this. That is here the expression is given. This is from the first one, K anyway, that is going to give you 0 angle. So tan inverse omega by 10 minus 90 degree, then minus tan inverse omega by 2 minus tan inverse omega by 5. So different values of omega, you get the degrees. Now let us see how to plot. Yes, how did we come to the conclusion that it has to be started from 40? Either you take the corner frequency, the lowest corner frequency when we saw it was 2, isn't it? It is 2. So any value previous to that lowest value, that is it can be 0.1. Okay, so now at 0.1, what was the value of the gain value at 0.1 omega? The gain was 40 dB. Else from the table itself we can make out that is due to these two values. Okay, it is 14 and 20, and again it should go up and come down. So again this is going to give you a value that is here. What slope means, you have to mark this value. That is, this is going to be 20 log omega. Now at this value, it is minus 20 log omega. For omega, what is the 1? For then at 20 log 0, what is the value? Then at 20 log 1, what is it? This is 1. Then at 10, what is the value? If you just see, you will get these values, and correspondingly you can determine what should be the magnitude. And when we did that, here for this it was 20 plus 20, 0, and this was minus 20. So at point 1, this factor is giving a magnitude of 20. This 20 along with this 20, it is 40 dB. Okay. At point 1, this factor, that is the first pole 1 by S, its magnitude at point 1 is 20. Along with that, this constant K is also giving 20. So it is totally 40. Else directly from the equation you can substitute and find out. Then coming back to the plot, see we started from 40, okay, and what was the slope? The slope should be 20 dB, minus 20 dB, you should get a slope of minus 20 dB. Then if you have to get a slope of minus 20 dB, then what should be the coordinate? What do you think the coordinate should be? Here, the difference, that is this difference should be, this should be 1 decade and this difference should be 20. If this is 40, here it should be 1, 20. Join these 2 points. Okay, you join these 2 points, you get the graph. But here line of minus 20 dB. But can I stop here? No. What is the first corner frequency? It is at 2. So extend this line up to 2. And what is the mark the values, coordinates x and y values here? It is 2, 14 dB. Okay, it is going to be 2, 14. Now at this point, what is adding? A pole is getting added. If it is a pole, minus 20 dB, a change in the slope will be there per decade. So now this is already going at minus 20. Again you are putting another minus 20. So the total slope becomes minus 40. This is 14. If this difference has to be minus 40, what should be the, where should you stop this? What should be the coordinates on the other end? Y2 and x2 coordinates. This is at 2, 10, so 20. Your coordinate should be 20, 14 minus 40. What will be this value? You will have a value of minus 26. Okay, just see. 20, 26 is this coordinate. Now join these 2 points. Okay, join these 2 points. This is a slope. This will be a slope of minus 40 dB per decade. What is the next corner frequency? What was the next corner frequency that you saw? In this, it was at 5. Okay, from 2 to 5. Can I keep this like this? Can we keep it like this up to 20? No, you don't want this. At 5, where is 5? This is 2 means somewhere here you will have 5. At this point you should stop. The line should be only this much. You cannot extend. Dotted lines you can write and keep, but your line should be only from here to here. At 5, because one more pole is getting added. So here see, at 5 you have one more pole which is being added. At 5, you see, at 5 pole is added. So now if, what will be the coordinate of this? 5, it is minus 2 dB. When you are adding one more pole, this previous line was already going at minus 40 dB. Now you add one more pole to that, the total slope becomes minus 60. So this is, so the difference has to be minus 60. The next coordinate should be at 50, this is 50, minus 62. Join these 2 points. The slope of this will be minus 60 dB. Can I just keep it like this? Can we stop here? No. If we look, go back to the problem, transfer function, we see there is a 0 which is getting added at a corner frequency of 10. At 10 there is a 0 which is getting added. So now the line, see, I have just dotted lines here, or this dark line I have stopped there at 10. At 10 because there is a 0 which is getting added here. And at this point the slope changes from minus 60 plus 20, it changes to minus 40. What was the coordinate of this? It was 10 comma minus 20. Now if the slope has to be minus 40 to minus 20, you add minus 40, it is minus 60. So the next coordinate what you should get is, if this is 10, decade means 10 into 10, it will be 100, minus 20 to minus 60. Join this line. So your total magnitude plot will look something like this. This will be the dark line is what is the, even if you have extended this, once you know that there is a 0 which is getting added at 10, this part, that is from here to here, whatever this line, extra line you have drawn for that 50, 62, that you have to erase, because that will not be a part of your magnitude plot. It is only for you to get that curve that we have to mark and write. But this extra, you will have to erase this off. See, this is the magnitude, and correspondingly after you draw the magnitude plot, for the phase plot you mark the points, then you join them, you get the phase plot as well, phase angles in degree. Then this point, on this point, what is it called? This point is called the omega PC. What is omega PC? It is the phase crossover frequency. And this is called omega GC, which is called the gain crossover frequency. If you see here, this omega PC, the value of this is around, this will be around 9 or 8 or something. It will be around some value here, okay. And this omega GC is at this point. You have omega GC. They have not asked the value, they have just asked the values of gain margin and phase margin. So extend this omega PC here, you put dotted lines and extend it. See where this dotted lines meet the magnitude plot. They meet the magnitude plot somewhere here. So from here, this difference is called the gain margin. 0 minus this value. So it will be 0 minus of minus this value, 0 minus of minus 6. This is at the value, the gain value is minus 6 here, minus 6 dB. You will have to extend, put dotted lines and extend it and see where it meets the magnitude plot. So what is the gain there? It is minus 6. 0 minus of minus 6 is 6 dB. Then to find the phase margin, this is the gain crossover. Okay, that is the magnitude plot is crossing that 0 dB line. Or at this point the gain is, the system gain is 1. 20 log 1 is 0. Okay, so it is now here, come down, put dotted lines and come down. See where it meets the phase plot. It meets the phase plot at this point. Okay, it is meeting the phase plot at that point. Now here at this point it meets. So there you have to mark that this difference will give the phase margin. Okay, that is the phase margin. Now how to find out? I have written it in the bottom here. Okay, from this is 90, this is minus 90 degree line. From here I have come down by 9 lines or 9 units. Each unit is 9. So 9 into 9 it is 81 degree. So minus 90 minus 81 degree is minus 171 degree. So for this point, this angle is minus 171 degree. This angle at the bottom it is 180 degree. Okay. Substitute that, you get an angle, that is this angle will be plus 9 degree. Okay. So the magnitude plot is plus 9 degree. So sorry, this is the phase margin is plus 9 degree. Gain margin is 6 dB and phase margin is 9 degree. So this is how you have to calculate the phase and the gain margin.